welcome back to P2A and the Yamaha Turbo S21 project. This is going to be a quick one since I don't really have a bunch to update you on. The first task was just to remove all that clear tubing that we used during the tests, and we started searching for the real parts that'll make up the system. Obviously, to do that we had to remove a bunch more stuff, but that's just part of the fun. Today I've got some hanger rats up on the TV and I'm ready to get to work. If you're into the more certified side of aviation, go check out that channel. Right now he's rebuilding a Lycoming pretty much step by step, so he does some really interesting stuff. I spent a bit of time earlier this week roaming the aisles in auto parts stores searching for these perfect hoses that I needed. I found what you see here and I'm pretty happy with it overall. It is a bit unrealistic to expect to find a one-piece preformed hose that'll magically just fit your snowmobile-powered airplane, so some amount of splicing is expected. I managed to keep it down to only one splice per hose, so I'm pleased with that. As for my camera setup though, currently I'm not so pleased with it, since randomly it just decides to corrupt clips. Like the one of me actually installing this lower hose. Well, I'm too cheap to replace it, so I'll just keep putting up with it for now. You'll see me put on several of these rubber-lined P-clamps, or some guys call them Adel clamps. But my overall goal is to not wonder if the hose is rubbing on something, because I know that it's not, since I've supported everything where needed. A little bit of extra effort and attention to detail at this point will have a large impact on my comfort levels at 10,000 feet later on, if you get my drift. Now I still need to replace this short section between the pump and the radiator, and I'm still waiting on the AN parts for the upper hoses, so stay tuned for that in a future video. As always, thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you again on the next one.